So you're thinking about getting a drone? Do it.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scar.
Alright guys, so first and foremost to my drone crazy people. I am not part 107 certified, therefore I will not be showing you any pictures of me flying a drone. What I will show you is some awesome video of what a drone can actually do. I've been watching them all day today. Before I do that, I'm going to show you a snippet of the drone that I've bought and what it's all about. And this is what I'm talking about. Let me go and turn the camera around real quick. All right, here we go. So this is the drone that I got for Christmas. Lots of little boxes and cables, extra propellers and screws and a little screwdriver and all that trash. Lots of instructions and the little case that it actually comes with. So you can keep the drone. Whoa! You actually keep the drone inside of, and you know, like haul it, go around with it, that kind of thing. Little bag for your drone. But the neat thing is the batteries come basically about halfway charged. So let's go ahead. The drone itself down here, charging right down here. So yeah, it's that's upside down. There we go. It's actually a cool little drone right there. I've been watching videos and doing my FAA stuff and learning all the drone stuff. Let's see, the controller is over here. I actually charged this controller with that battery pack. This is the controller right here. You just kind of extend that out and put your cell phone inside of. Little cable to hook it on there. But it's pretty cool. And now I'm going to tell you all about the rest of the drone stuff. Here we go. Okay, so now that you can see, I do have a drone. This is not a joke. I'm going to get 107 certified, but I can't like put it in the videos because I'm an Amazon guy, and if I make any money at all because I did use some drone footage, then the FAA will come after me or whatever. And I've heard of this happening. It's not like, oh, it'll never happen. It does happen. So here's why you need a drone. You need a drone because you can do some amazing stuff as far as reconnaissance, security, checking out property. I'm trying to fix this so you can watch a video. Checking out property that is surrounding your property, following all of the rules, and there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. The nice thing about the drone that I have is it's under the minimum weight that's required to register it. So I do not have to register it with the FAA, but I did have to take a flight safety class, which I did pass. So I've got the drone. I took the safety course. I don't have to register it. I did all of the research. And now I got to go out and start learning to fly this thing. Now, it shouldn't be a problem. It's got a big video game handle, up, down, left, right, side, whatever, magic buttons. These things are they fly automatically so well that you honestly you just need to practice with it from time to time and then use it when you want to. And so I do recommend that you do get a drone. I'll leave a link below for the drone that I bought. And the video that I'm showing is actually of the same exact drone. It's got all the bells and whistles. I think the only thing it won't do is track you, and you have to buy the next one up for that, and then you got to start doing FAA stuff and just stuff that you probably don't want to do. All right, so I wanted to make sure that you guys got that information, that you actually could see that the benefits of having these drones. And they're super cheap. They're super cheap now compared to what they used to be and what they do now. Oh my goodness, they are so cheap. They're crazy inexpensive. They're crazy easy to fly. And the one I bought even came with 2 batteries. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. USB-C. They work with iPhones. It's unbelievable technology. And the one that I bought is very highly rated. And I recommend that you check that out. All right, guys, if you like what I'm doing, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to support the channel, there's a link below. Yeah, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.